Welcome to this lesson on the point-slope form. This is one of the most powerful tools in algebra for writing linear equations quickly and easily. Today, we will learn exactly what it is and how to use it. Here is the formula itself. Y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. This equation lets you describe any line just by knowing two simple things: a specific point on the line and the slope of the line. Let's break that down. The letter m stands for the slope, or how steep the line is. The coordinates x1 and y1 represent a specific point that you know lies on the line. The plane x and y are the variables that stay in the equation to represent any point on the line. Before we proceed, remember what slope really is. It is the rise over the run. It tells us how much the line goes up or down for every step it moves to the right. In this graph, you can see a slope where we rise 2 units for every 3 units we run. You might wonder where this formula comes from. It is actually just a rearranged version of the slope formula you probably already know. If you take the slope formula equal to rise over run and multiply both sides by the denominator, you get the point-slope form directly. Let's try a real example. Suppose we are told that a line has a slope of 2 and passes through the point 1, 3. We need to write the equation for this line. We have everything we need right here. All we do is plug the numbers into their correct spots. We replace m with 2, x1 with 1, and y1 with 3. The result is y minus 3 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 1. That is the complete equation in point-slope form. Let's look at this on a graph to make sense of it. We start at our known point, 1, 3. Since our slope is 2, or 2 over 1, we go up 2 units and write 1 unit to find the next point. The line passing through these points represents our equation perfectly. Be careful with negative numbers. Here, our slope is -1 and our point is -2, 4. When we plug -2 into the x1 spot, we get x minus -2. Remember that subtracting a negative is the same as adding, so it simplifies to x plus 2. Sometimes you might need to convert your answer into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. To do this, just solve for y first, distribute the slope on the right side. Then, add the constant from the left side over to the right. Now you have y alone. To wrap up, remember that point-slope form is your best friend when you have a point and a slope. It is fast, efficient, and easy to use. Memorize the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and you will be ready to solve these problems in seconds.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.